How to put an image to a video in iMovie. So simply open your iMovie on your MacBook, it's right here, and place here your video. So I got here this screen recording, and also I got here my image which I want to place to this video. So simply grab your photo or image. You can adjust the time in the time frame in the video. And now we want to simply click that image, and here in the top area click on this little icon, video overlay settings, and now click on this selection and click picture in picture. So as you can see, this is my picture and it's in my video. So if I play the video, my picture will be here. If you want to simply crop it, for example, click this little icon and you can simply crop it here, press enter, and the image is cropped. And this is the way how you can put an image to your iVideo. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.